everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone using a Tascam DR-05 or DR-07 MkII handheld digital audio recorder, the Jantoy 4ft mini USB cord. This isn't just any cable. It's designed to be a reliable and robust companion for your recording setup. Right off the bat, what stands out is its construction. The Jant Mini USB cable boasts a high-quality PVC jacket, which immediately gives it a premium feel. This isn't one of those flimsy cords that kinks and tangles at the slightest provocation. Instead, it offers impressive durability and increased flexibility, making it incredibly convenient to coil up and carry without a fuss. For anyone who's ever struggled with a tangled mess of cables in their gear bag, this tangle-free design is a breath of fresh air. It's lightweight too, making it an ideal substitute for a lost cord or a perfect addition if you need an extra charger in different locations. The extra-long 4-foot length is another significant advantage. This isn't a short, restrictive cable that forces you to huddle next to a power source. The generous length provides ample reach, making it incredibly convenient for use in a variety of settings. Whether you're at home, in the workplace, lounging on the sofa, in your car, at the office, in a hotel room, or traveling, this cable offers the freedom to connect your Tascam recorder without being tethered too closely to an outlet or computer. It truly enhances the user's convenience, allowing for more flexible placement of their device. Furthermore, the Jant cable is built for longevity and a secure connection. It features a reinforced powerline design, engineered to withstand over 10,000 bends. This impressive lifespan means it's far more robust and durable than many standard cables on the market. You won't have to worry about fraying or internal damage after just a few months of use. Beyond its durability, the design ensures a perfect fit with your devices. It connects securely to your Tascam DR-05 or DR-07 MkII, and unlike some other cables, it won't easily fall out. This snug connection is crucial for maintaining power or data transfer without interruption, giving users peace of mind during critical recording sessions or data transfers. In summary, the Jantoy 4ft mini USB cord is presented as a high-quality, dependable solution for Tascam DR-05 and DR-07 MkII users. Its combination of durability, flexibility, extended length, and secure fit makes it a highly practical and valuable accessory. For those seeking a reliable replacement or an additional cable that can withstand daily use and provide consistent performance, this Jant offering appears to be an excellent choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.